Welcome back to Saving Made Easy. The couponing deals at Dollar General this week are so exciting. I have got several to share, including food, paper products, gain, and super cheap stuff you've just got to stick around to see. And be sure to smash that like button if you love saving money. Let's get started. We're going to jump right in with the food deal. We're going to start by picking up a lot of cereal. Start with the Honey Bunches of Oats, 1 Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and 1 Chocolate Toast Crunch. These are 3 for $6, as you can see in the weekly ad here. We're going to use the $1 off of 2 on the General Mills Cereals digital coupon, on the Cinnamon Toast Crunch and the Chocolate Toast Crunch, and we're going to use the $1 digital coupon on the Honey Bunches of Oats. But you're also going to pick up one of the Chex peanut butter chocolate cereal for $3.25 and use the $1 digital coupon on that. Next, grab 2 of the Michelina's frozen dinners for $2, $1 each, and use the buy one get one free digital coupon on those if you didn't use it last week. Next, pick up one of the Country Crock butters. These are, I guess, margarine, interchangeable in my head. $2.65, use the 75-cent digital coupon. Also, you can pick up one of the Lucky Charms or Cinnamon Toast Crunch oatmeal. This is an awesome item for kids, and they are $3. We have a $1.25 digital coupon on those. Last but not least, pick up 3 of the Velveeta shells and cheese. Great item to stockpile, and 3 of those is going to run you $10.95. We have a $3 off paper coupon when you purchase 3. We also have $2 in instant savings when you spend $10 on Velveeta and craft products. So you want to make sure you're at least spending $27 on this deal instead of $25 to account for that extra $2 of savings. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped. Your subtotal for this first transaction is going to come to $28.60, but after all of those coupons and instant savings come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $11.85 plus tax, or $1.31 each. For our second transaction, let's go ahead and start by picking up 2 of the Dove hand soap. These are $4 a piece, and use the $1.50 DG digital coupon, so the store coupon, plus the $1 digital coupon that is a manufacturer's coupon, because you can use a store and manufacturer's coupon together. And we're also going to use the $2 in instant savings for spending $8 on Dove products. So just remember to account for that instant savings at the end of your deal. Next, we're going to pick up one of the Snuggle Sheets. These are the $2.25 version, and you might still have a $1.50 paper coupon from last week, or I think there is a $1.50 digital coupon available now to make that even cheaper. Next, pick up 3 of the chloralin sprays. These are $2 a piece, so $6 for all 3. And we have a $1.50 off digital coupon. Plus, they are buy 2 get 1 free with the DG digital coupon. So again, store and manufacturer coupon there that you can use together. Next, pick up one of these Skintimate Gel. Our store was out, but these are $3, or some of them are even $2.70 if you can find one of those. And we have a $2 digital coupon, making this just $1. Grab a little Filler Crest mouthwash from the travel section for $1 and use that $1 digital coupon that's going to expire this Saturday if you haven't used it already, so get your money's worth out of it. Last but not least, pick up one of the big Gain Flings, not the super big, but I think these are the 24 count for $7.50. The price has gone up. And use the $2 digital coupon on that. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped. Your subtotal for this transaction should come to $27.75. Remember, we have to spend at least $27 to account for that instant savings. And your out-of-pocket cost after all of those coupons come off is going to be just $8.25 plus tax for 9 items, or 91 cents each. And I will pay 91 cents for Gain every day of the week. I know we've gained quite a few new friends to our savings family recently, so here's a little mid-video poll question for you guys. Where are you on your couponing journey? Brand new beginner, seasoned veteran, or somewhere in between? If you'd rather do a whole transaction for all kinds of Gain products, then this is the deal for you. Start by picking up one of the Gain fabric softeners for $7.50 and use that $2 digital coupon that we talked about on this instead. Also, you can grab one of the Gain flings for $4.50 and use the $1 digital coupon that exists for that. Then pick up 2 of the Febreze sprays. These need to be the Gain scent so that they will work with the coupon. And these are $3 a piece, so $6 for both. And we have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon on these. You're also going to want to pick up one of the Swiffer wet mopping cloth packages for $5, and we have a $1 off digital coupon. These are Gain scented as well. And last but not least, pick up 2 of the Gain dryer sheets that are $1. You can find these in the dollar aisle of Dollar General. And make sure you have your 5 off of 20 Gain coupon plus your 5 off of 25 coupon clipped. And your subtotal, amazingly, is going to come to exactly $25. So after all those coupons come off, you're going to pay just $8 out of pocket. And I think that's about $1.21 per item. So pretty good considering how prices have gone up recently. Last but not least today, let's do a paper transaction. Start by picking up one of the Cottonelle toilet paper packs for $5 and use the $1 off digital coupon in your account. Next, pick up 2 of these Scott toilet paper packs for $5 a piece, so $10 for both. And you have a $1 digital coupon that's going to come off of one of those packs. And there is a $1 digital coupon available that you can clip on the coupons.com app. And if you haven't downloaded it yet, I'll provide a link in the description box below where you can go and get that app and get your extra $1. Next, you're going to pick up one of these Scott paper towel packs. These are $5.95, and you have a $1 digital coupon off of that. That's going to bring you to about $20.95, which is what we need to be at. We need to be at least $20 for our $4 of instant savings to come off. So we want to make sure we're spending at least $29 on this deal. We're also going to pick up one of the Airwick oil plugs for $1.99 and use the $2 off digital coupon. We're also going to pick up one of the Crest mouthwash for $1 and use the $1 digital coupon. Those are just filler items to get this down cheaper. You can also pick up one of the Skintimate Gel for $3 and use the $2 off digital coupon. And last but not least, pick up one of the Snuggle dryer sheets, again, $2.25, and you have the $1.50 paper or digital coupon for that. Your subtotal should come to $29.19. Remember, $29 to account for that $4 of instant savings. And after all of those coupons come off, including your 5 off of 25, which you have clipped, your out-of-pocket cost is going to be just $9.69 plus tax for all of those paper products, and that's less than the price of 2 of those packs by themselves. If you like these deals and want to see more like them, I highly recommend hitting that subscribe button and bopping the notification bell so that YouTube will let you know when we've got new ones out. Thanks for checking out this video, and happy saving!